Can't tweak your Face ID because the option's locked? Here's your quick fix. No tech degree needed. First up, let's check screen time restrictions. Go to Settings, tap Screen Time, then Content and Privacy Restrictions. If it's off, turn it on and enter your screen time passcode if needed. Next, tap Passcode and Face ID, or it might say Passcode Changes, and set it to Allow. Still grayed out? If your iPhone's from work or school, there might be admin restrictions. Next trick, restart your iPhone. Just power it off, then back on. Still stuck? Head to Settings, tap General, then Software Update, and install any available updates. If Face ID is still locked, check Stolen Device Protection. Go to Settings, Face ID and Passcode, scroll to Stolen Device Protection, and turn it off. You can turn it back on later. Last tips. Make sure nothing's blocking your camera, and as a last resort, back up and factory reset. Still no luck? It might be a hardware issue.